Vivek and Santosh, any confusion, any question?
No, sir, we'll implement it on our end, and if there's any issue, we'll be reaching out to you.
Hi, Santosh.
I will look into it again. So
Okay. Can you
I
please
will.
open
I
your
will.
camera, please?
Yes, sir.
So, how was the today session? What you learned? Any confusion, any question?
So I mean, actually, I need to know the what is listener, what is the history event, what is fire, and then these kind of things I need to learn. Once
Mm-hmm.
that learn, I will go through your class and I will be understand bit more.
Mm-hmm.
So this actual thought, what I understood, but where Pubsub is needed, where there is no relationship between the
Yes.
components. Like in Aura component, we use application event,
Mm-hmm.
right? So
So
that's
you know how does work Pubsub model in LWC?
yes, yes.
Your
Yeah, I
conclusion?
understand that. I understand your logic, but I want to learn more because
Okay.
sometimes they can use rendered or rendered callback or I mean constructor and superb something we have here super
Mm-hmm.
constructor something.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they use the those functions,
Mm-hmm.
so that's what I need to learn more.
Okay, got it. So today class I cover how to pass data from parent component to child component through the Pubsub model. So you got the concept of the Pubsub model?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Now
but
go to the
sometimes
Vivek.
on this need to practice more.
Yes, you need to keep practice because
Yeah,
keep practice give you confidence.
yeah.
Now go to Vivek. Hi Vivek, can you please open your camera, please?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hi
sir.
Vivek, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
So how was today's session? What you learned?
Learn, sir, something new, like used Pubsub model and like firing of the event, subscribing of the event. So we'll practice it, and if there's any issue, I'll reach out to you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So your concept is clear about PubSub model.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So keep practice because if you practice each and every day at least half an hour, then that practice will give you confidence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So thank you for joining for the day. Tomorrow will be deep dive, little bit advanced.
Okay, sir. Sir, if we
Thank
can like also get the idea what is the topic of the day so that we can
tomorrow.
also answer.
Tomorrow I will cover LMS, Lightning Messaging Service.
Okay, sir.
How to pass data. It will little bit advanced. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.